Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to convert this basic image into a text designed edited image like this in IBIS Paint Text. Let's get started. So first I am going to open a 3:4 2K canvas in my IBIS Paint Text app and here I already have the reference, so this is what I'm going to show you how to create now. So first I'm going to import the image. So to import, click on this and click on this image. I'm going to place it here like this. And the first thing is I'm going to change the color a little bit so it's like more bright. So I'm going to open a new layer and go to filters, go to draw, click on this parallel gradation, and here I have chosen grayscale. So click on that and here you can adjust the face wherever you want. Also you can adjust the angle using here angle point. So I gave this like dark side on this side and lighter side on this side. And now I'm going to change the blending mode. So like this. And now I'm going to change the color of this. So go to filters, go to adjust color and change the color using the monocolor, and you can choose whatever color you want and the color of the image changes accordingly. So I'm going for pink shade here, and now we got this. Now I'm going to add the text design. So to add this, just click on this text and click here and type design. So this is how it looks, and I want this to be in vertical direction. So click on this horizontal. Now it is turned into vertical one. Place it here, and here you can see I just chose the text color as black and stroke color as white and increased the stroke size, and this is what I want. And if you want, you can increase the spacing, also increase the size like this. Okay, and this is what we have now. I'm going to duplicate this layer, text layer, and hide the first one. We can use for the future purpose if you want, if you made any mistake. So I'm going to use the top one. So here on this I'm going to rasterize this layer, and then so here you can see basically I want the text to be transparent, so that's why I used this black color for the text. So now what I'm going to do is click on this bucket tool, and here you can see bucket eraser. Click on that, and when you click on the black area of the text, it will erase the text. Don't go for any neighboring colors like pink and red or pink purple, something like that, for this border and inside text, because when you are using the bucket tool it will be more difficult for you to erase it. So because it's basically on the color theory, so go for high contrast colors so that you can erase it easily. Basically go for black and white. And now I got this text with only outline on it, and now create a new layer below this, and here using the felt tip and hard brush along with the square tool and fill on. Here you can see, if you do this, I'm going for pink color. If you do this, you can see the text is also filled with that color. So to avoid that, what we have to do is be on that text layer and click on this. No, you can go for this one. So click on the select opacity. So this is what got selected. Now just click on this invert selection, and once you click on that, this is what you have selected. And here I'm going to deselect these text areas. So click on this magic wand tool and click subtract option in that, and make sure you choose current layer option, and then just click on the text. Now except this, all these areas got selected. And now if you use the rectangle, you can see it's applied only to that details except the text. Now once you're done, now once you're done, just go and remove selected area. Now I want this to be transparent. To make it transparent, you can try some blending modes. So you can try overlay blending modes, soft light, hard light, whatever you want. And also if you feel it's too pinkish, then switch on the alpha lock and go for some lighter color like this. Okay, now it became lighter. And further, if you want, you can reduce this opacity. Now we got this, and I'm going to add some effect to the text outline. So go to the design layer where we have the text, and go to filter and go to style, go to extrude parallel, and just adjust the angle of the 3D text, also the lighting like this, and then click on the drop shadow and go for any darker shade of pink. We got this, and yeah, now we got the text details along with this. So, and then here I want to increase the natural color of the skin. So what I'm going to do is we're going to try something different. So be on that gradient layer using the lasso eraser along with square tool. I am going to erase this spot, and now it became half of it, and you have the natural details here, and it looks better now. Now if you want further, you can try changing the blending mode. So you can try some hue, color, blending modes to get this view. And once done, you can simply save this as JPG, and yeah, now I'll show you how it looks. And this is how it looks. So you can do easy text image editing, everything in IBIS Paint X. Hope you like this tutorial and learned something new from me. If so, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.